Right, so I just put these lights up, these recessed lights, and I wired it from this one to that one, to that one, and to that one, and then I threw a Romex cable inside the attic coming down to this one, to this light switch, and there was another Romex cable coming from, I believe, this light switch coming up this way, coming out through right here. And when I turn it on, well, it's on right now, but turns on my couches, and that outlet turned on this whole wall pretty much. And then when I turn it off, it turns off my couches and that wall. Well, it did yesterday. Okay, there we go. So my Alexa's plugged into the wall. So this outlet. So I'm wondering, how do I get power from here to go to the lights? Because I'm pretty sure I wired everything good up here. Just don't know why it doesn't turn on my lights, but only turns on the outlet. So kind of wondering. You hear my child over there trying to get out, escape her playroom. Okay, so I mean, if anybody has any suggestions, I would like to know. I think I'm probably only having power on either the bottom or the top, but not both.